When I get older, losing my hair, many years from now, you'll be so glad you published your memories. Are you ready to put it all together? Ah! Today's your big day. You're gonna put together your book. All that hard work coming together. Yes, we got this, Bambini. I'm so excited. Now, there's no need to rush. I know you're very, very excited. I'm giving you a few days to put your book together. And what I'm going to show you in this video is the order of how things need to go together, and what other finishing touches you may want to add. So as you notice, I have my cover. I'm going to go over the order first. I have my cover, Postcard Stories. I'm not done coloring, but I will be done coloring, hopefully by the end of this week. Postcard Stories by Jolie. And then I have some cardstock, construction paper, and I'm well aware that I should have sent home some construction paper. So if you don't have construction paper or cardstock or thick paper, you can wait. You can wait to officially put your book together after our next distribution day, which is happening on the 16th of October, I believe, where I will hand out construction paper. But if you have some, great. You can go ahead and glue your cover onto some thick paper, so that way it's nice and thick and sturdy like a real cover. And then notice that I have my title page and then my 3 different postcard stories. So I am also well aware that the page numbers are a little bit off. What you can do is get your marker and renumber the pages, because right now each story begins with page 1, but you put the book together and it's not page 1 every 4th page. So you can rewrite your page numbers. 1, page 1, page 2, page 3. So then this would now be page 4, not page 1 again. Does that make sense? Page 4, page 5. And you don't need to do all this erasing. Just get a marker and rewrite it, and it's totally fine. You decide which order you want your postcard stories to be. So make sure you've committed to an order. Like I'm choosing my roller coaster story to be the first story, but it's really entirely up to you. Be sure that on your very last page that you have your meet the author page, and then of course your back cover. You are welcome to put your book together like I'm going to. Ta-da! And then continue coloring and finishing up all the little bits of work. Clearly, I still need to work on my illustrations. Now, the hard part is like, how do you put it all together? Good question. Unless you're a teacher like me, I have a huge, thick, stapler that I use to staple all your entire story together. So what you can do is find me on distribution day, October 16th, I believe, and I will have my stapler and I'm gonna staple your story together for you. Or if you have another inventive way, maybe your mom or dad might have a way to bind your book, you can go that route. If you have a hole puncher, you can punch holes and put some yarn and thread it through. If you have those big clampy clips, you can use like clamps to put your story together. It's really entirely up to you. And we will be sharing once we are done. So I'm super, super excited. Yay! Woo! You've done such a good job, Bambini. Big pat yourself on the back. Big pat on the back. Mwah, mwah, ciao, ciao. Publish away. And we will wrap up this project by sharing, as well as going over the writing process, thinking about all the different steps before we move on to our next writing project. Wait, there's another writing project? Yeah, what is it? What is it? What is it, Miss Julie? It is called a Wait and See.